Have you ever had the feeling that there's more wiring around your campsite than what you would find in your server room in your office? Now, this is the Lumeno campsite light kit. It's 4 LED lights. Let me show you quickly what's in this box. The Lumeno camping kit, very nice sturdy presentation box. In the presentation box, we've got the 4 LED lights, charging cable that can charge all 4 batteries at once. All the lights comes with a lithium battery, and there's a little space saver there. You can carry 4 additional lithium batteries. These lights come with a white, bright, medium and low, as well as a yellow, as well as a red. On the white, bright, you've got about 5 hours. On the medium, 10 hours, and 100 hours on the low. Then it's got yellow, about 15 hours, and red, 50 hours. Then also it comes with a magnet pad as well as a pole strap kit, so you can probably fit this light anywhere. Now yeah, it's either a bunch of cables like this or a very nice small compact LED light kit.